Hey guys, I'm out here by my 2018 Ford Focus. We're going to do a really easy video today. We're just going to change the windshield wipers. If you haven't done this before, follow along and let's get started. I've purchased the Rain-X Latitude wipers here, 28 inches for both driver and passenger side. The reason I bought these is because the type of wiper blade arms that we have on the Ford Focus is this one here. It's the pinch tab. I bought some cheaper wipers, but they only fit the cars with the J hooks, so I had to return those actually and buy these because they fit. A lot of wiper blades will come with adapters, and those will work as well. The first thing that we're going to do is just pick the windshield wipers up. I'm going to put a towel down here on my hood, on my windshield actually, just in case the wipers fall down, they don't break the window. You can tell I need new wipers because there's little pieces of rubber falling off of the old ones all over the hood of my car. When you're looking at your wiper blade here, you can see that there is an arrow on it. On the sides, there's little tabs. You want to squeeze and then push forward. Once you have the wiper blade off, this is what your wiper blade arm looks like. And they come with instructions, so if you're not sure, feel free to reference these instructions. We're going to follow the ones for the I and L. And the first thing we're going to want to do with our new wiper blades is take off this outer cover. The next thing we want to do is remove the little blue cover here, squeeze these parts together, and then kind of just pull it down, slide it off. And this little part here is the part that's going to slide onto the windshield wiper arm on your car. And you just push it till it clicks. Make sure, give it a little tug so it doesn't fall off. And then we're going to take off the protective little yellow thing here. Then we'll do the same for the other side. So again, to remove the old wiper, you're going to squeeze in these tabs, follow the directional arrow, and while you're squeezing, you're going to pull this up. I'm going to put the new one on, make sure the little tabs are pointing down, line them up right here. Make sure it clicks, check out it's not going to fall off. We'll remove the little yellow protective thingy, take our towel out of here, and then we'll put our wiper back down. And we'll just do that on the other side too. Put your wiper blade back down. And you're ready for the next thunderstorm. If you found this video helpful, please feel free to like, comment, or share it, or send it to somebody who might need to change the wipers on their Ford Focus, and maybe they're thinking about going to the dealer or, you know, paying someone to do it. It's real simple to do it yourself, and hopefully this helps you out.